By far the most popular intrusion sensors are the optoelectronic motion detectors. They rely on electromagnetic radiation in the optical range, specifically having wavelengths from 0.4 to 20 micrometers. This covers the visible, near-infrared and part of the far-infrared spectral ranges. The detectors are primarily used for the indication of movement of people and animals. These detectors operate over distance ranges up to several hundred meters and, depending on the particular need, may have either a narrow or wide field of view. The operating principle of the optical motion detectors is based on the detection of light, either visible or not, emanated from the surface of a moving object into the surrounding space. Such radiation may be originated either by an external light source and then reflected by the object, or it may be produced by the object itself in the form of natural emission. The former case is classified as an active detector, and the latter is classified as a passive detector. Hence, an active detector requires an additional light source, for example, daylight, electric lamp, an infrared light emitting diode, LED, and so forth. The passive detectors perceive mid and far infrared emission from objects having temperatures that are different from the surroundings. Both types of detector use an optical contrast as a means of object recognition.